Normally when I'm at the Chao Prayah, I'm always in the area of Sapan Taksin, and you don't really realize that Bangkok has a proper seaport where ships like this can come in as well. But of course that's only on the river mouth, like here in Samut Prakan. Good evening. We are here at the Pak Nam station in front of the Samut Prakan View Tower and the Samut Prakan River Walk. Today we're going to show you a nice, well, it's not a day trip, but like say a nice trip that you can do inside of Bangkok. We are here at the Pak Nam station, which is the E19 on the BTS line, and we're gonna try and catch the sunset. And then after that we're gonna go to the black market, which is on station E21. So bear with me and let's go downstairs. Yeah, so to get to the Samut Prakan River Walk, you have to take the exit here at number 5. And there is a small sky bridge here. Samut Prakan is actually a province, but these are the outskirts of the city. And Bangkok has a couple of provinces. And Samut Prakan is here at the entrance of the Chao Prayah River. It's about 6:15. We have a lovely sunset. Let's call it the river walk at Samut Prakan is almost like a park, and a lot of people go there to do exercise in the evening. And we've been there one time in the day, but I've never been there in the evening, so I'm looking forward to that. And there you have the little bend. You cannot call that a big bend, right? So here at the clock tower you can go down, and then you are in front of the town hall of Samut Prakan. So this here is the Samut Prakan City Hall. So this is the center of town, and you can already see the nice light from the sunset. Yeah, what's really nice about if you take the BTS to this area is that you really feel that you're in another town or another, well, we're actually in another province, but you really feel that you're outside of the city. And yeah, I mean, we are basically based on the BTS still in Bangkok. So here you have a statue of King Chulalongkorn, and look at the sunset. You know, the sunsets are always the best when you have a little bit of clouds. It's actually nice and fresh, eh? Yeah. The wind is blowing here.
If I knew how to walk.
Somehow this has a little bit of feeling like Vientiane, right? You remember?
Oh yeah, a little bit.
But this time it's not the Mekong.
So try it.
Yeah, so here we are at the river walk. Nice and lively. Yeah, and one of the big attractions here in Samut Prakan is the Samut Prakan Observation Tower, and unfortunately at the moment it's not open. It's finished already, it's brand new, but I think because of COVID they never opened up. It's actually amazing what kind of a nice breeze you get here. Let's walk a little bit. Yeah, if I would live here, I would come here as well. Same as we go to the park. And here across the river, you have a very nice temple, and we made a video about that a couple of months ago. And I told the story that this was the temple where when people used to come to Bangkok in the old times, well still, but they used to come by ship, and then this temple was the first thing that they saw. So the story that I made about that was that it's the Lady Liberty of Thailand. Yeah, I think if you come around this time, it's perfect. It's not too hot. We came here one time in the day and it was really blazing hot. But now there's a nice little wind, a breeze. Here we have some local wildlife. Yeah, and here next to the pier, or next to this river walk, there is a Navy base. So you can see the naval vessels here already. Yeah, this is actually customs, I see. So if you want to sneak into this river with your boat, then these guys are gonna come and get you. Normally when I'm at the Chao Prayah, I'm always in the area of Sapan Taksin, and you don't really realize that that Bangkok has a proper seaport where ships like this can come in as well. But of course that's only on the river mouth, like here in Samut Prakan. So in the evening, the Pak Nam View Tower is very nicely lit up in the purple lights. And even the temple across the river. Okay, so let's go to the black market. So when you get out of the station, you take exit number 1, and this exit actually would take you to the Robinson as well. But we are not going to go to the Robinson. We are going to go to the black market, which is here, just across this little river. Yeah, the black market just opened a few years ago. And it's a typical street market where you can get good Thai food, buy clothing, buy a lot of stuff. Oh, who's here? Sawadee krap. So it's about 7:30 now, and because of the pandemic we do not expect too many people here, but you never know. Yeah, this is our first time here as well. Quite a few motorcycles here. Black market. So it's only about half an hour drive from the Asok BTS station, so it's actually not that far. And the reason why we are here is because of Alex, because Alex actually asked me the other day, and then I never heard of the black market, so that's why we came and have a look here. So thank you so much, Alex. Dankeschön. Yeah, so when we stop filming, we are definitely gonna sit somewhere here and have a nice dinner. Still, it's not allowed to drink beer, or it's not allowed to sell beer, so we won't be able to drink a beer here. So this station E21 is in the Samut Prakan province, which is a province just south of Bangkok. And this is a very nice thing that you can combine with a walk on the river at Samut Prakan at Pak Nam. And for example, tonight we made 2 stops. We went first to the river and had the sunset there, and then we came here to this market, and I think it's a very nice combination. And I'm definitely gonna come back here when the COVID is finished, because then I can imagine this is gonna be a very busy place and interesting to visit.
ประกาศประชาสัมพันธ์เพิ่มเติมนะครับโจยติมผัดนะครับร้านไอติมผัดนะครับช็อกโกแลตนะครับ
It has a little bit the feeling of the Road 5 market, right?
เย็นๆเลยนะครับผัดร้อนๆนะครับเอ้ยผัดเย็นๆเลยเพิ่มท็อปปิ้งฟรีนะครับ20 บาทเท่านั้นนะครับ20 บาท25 บาทโซนที่นะครับ
You want to try some ice?
I'll see what they can try later. You?
I don't know. Kebab cheese. That sounds good.
ป๊อปคอร์นนะครับป๊อปคอร์นนะครับ20 บาทนะครับทุกถุงนะครับป๊อปคอร์นนะครับ
Let's go through here.
20 บาทนะครับทุกถุงนะครับน้ำผลไม้นะครับน้ำส้มนะครับน้ำส้มนะครับคั้นสดใหม่นะครับ4 ขวดร้อยนะครับ4 ขวดร้อยนะครับปกตินะครับ4 ขวดร้อยในราคานี้นะครับแต่วันนี้นะครับ4 ขวดนะครับแถม1 ขวดนะครับในราคา100 บาทนะครับที่ร้านน้ำส้มนะครับจะมีกันชงนะครับ
กันชงนะครับน้ำพุทธ15นะครับท่านสามารถซื้อได้นะครับที่สาย5นะครับขอบคุณครับ
Yeah, it looks like this is mainly a food market, eh? I don't see any other products. So if you're looking for fresh food, then this might be the place for you to go. It's very easy to get here. It's on the E21 BTS Station.
ข้าวต้ม2 ถุงนะครับพร้อมกับข้าวนะครับข้าวต้ม2 ถุงพร้อมกับข้าวนะครับ50 บาทนะครับยำกุ้งหวานกุนเชียงไข่เค็มนะครับยำไข่เค็มกุ้งหวานนะครับยำไข่เยี่ยวม้ายำกุนเชียงไข่เค็มนะครับและหลายๆยำนะครับท่านสามารถเดินมาได้นะครับที่ร้านต้มน้อยอารมณ์นะครับในราคา50 บาทเท่านั้นนะครับขอบคุณครับ
So this was the black market. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, feel free to subscribe. Drop me a line. You are allowed to press the like button. And see you guys in my next video.